Hey everybody, this is the first video of 2019. Here we are on the last week of January. Now, where most of the country is sitting in snow, cold, and ice, us here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area is experiencing a nice 51-degree sunny day. So, it's starting to be planting season here. You can see the garden as it stands from the winter. Haven't done really too much to it, but what I'm going to do here is, this is the bed where I planted sweet potatoes last year, but I'm going to put in some potatoes, regular potatoes, this year here. So I'm just getting the ground ready, and I'll put some fertilizer down and put that in, and then put my mulch on top, and then we'll let it go. So here in this bed we had our sunchokes, and there's the dry stalks there. I'll probably break those back and put a little dirt topping here, and then those will be ready to go too. So anyways, let's get going here on the potatoes, and we'll get this bed ready. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the ground. I got a little organic, it's tomato and vegetable food, as well as some bone meal. Now, the bone meal's got the phosphate into this. So this is a 4-12-0 ratio, and this is a 3-4-6. So I'm going to spread this in here because, you know, from the sweet potatoes from last year, I need just to put some little nutrients back and kickstart it up for me. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so you can see I've liberally spread on the top my fertilizer, and now I will rake this in a little bit. Okay, now I got the fertilizer there. I also put the hose there, the drip irrigation. So now we just need to put potatoes on there. Okay, that's next. Okay, I got my potatoes buried in. I used a shallow method. I saw that on the internet, and it works pretty good. It worked okay last year too. So I'm going to cover these up, then put the mulch on top. Okay, so looks like we got the mulch on top now, and it's ready to go. Like I say, hopefully, if timing is right, these potatoes will be done in late spring, just in time to pull them and put in the sweet potatoes. So that's what I'm hoping to do here. We will water them. Haven't had much rain for a while, so I give them a little bit of water just to soak it in a little bit. And then there we go. One bed for 2019 with our red and Yukon Gold potatoes are done. I'll put the other potatoes here in one of the side beds, but we'll just get this part done for right this second. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll start seeing videos here very shortly.